Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off reading goals for the Books app on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Books. Next, we scroll down and tap on Reading Goals. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now select Show Time Spent Reading and Other Achievements in Apple Books. So turn it on, and you can also turn on or turn off Include PDFs. So if you turn on PDFs, it will count your time when you are reading, when you are spending reading PDF files. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.